Hello guys, Vic here with PhoneArena, and today we're testing the brand new Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5, Samsung's latest flip phone, against the regular Galaxy S23, a non-flip phone. And of course the Galaxy S23 has a couple of extra cameras, or one I should say, a zoom camera, which the Galaxy Z Flip 5 lacks. So let's try and see if we can zoom in. So this is 3 times zoom on the Galaxy S23, and this is 3x on the Flip 5. Definitely looks a bit cleaner on the Galaxy. Right, 3x zoom. Let's go back to 1x. Alright, quality should be pretty similar with the main camera. Alright, let's try and use the ultra wide now. Okay, this is the ultra wide camera on both phones. You can see it's right around sunset, so some beautiful views. But let me know, do you see any difference in the quality? Is the Flip 5 better than the S23, or are they about the same? Alright guys, next up we have low light video recording on the Galaxy S23 and the Galaxy Z Flip 5. So let's see if Samsung has made some improvements in the newer Galaxy Z Flip 5, if the video quality has improved at night, or if it's the same as on the Galaxy S23. Of course, one thing that is different is that the Galaxy S23 has the 3x zoom lens. This is what it looks like, and compare this to the digital zoom and you can definitely see some difference. But let's go back to 1x, which is our main focus right now, comparing the video quality with the main camera. 4K 30 frames per second. No huge difference I would say, but maybe some slight difference in the colors. Let me know what you can see on your screens. And this is what the ultra-wide camera looks on both at night. Alright, let me know which one you like better in the comments, and thanks for watching.